Simplifying algebraic expressions is the concept of reducing fraction to its simplest form. Okay, now let's start. Illustrative example. Simplify the following rational algebraic expressions. Number 1, 4a plus 8b over 12. Okay, so the first step is to factor both numerator and the denominator. The factor of 4a and 8b, which is the common factor, is 4. Okay, so we factor out 4. Then 4a divided by 4 is equal to a. And 8b divided by 4 is equal to 2b. Okay, we factor out the common and we apply the greatest common monomial factor. For the denominator, we factor 12. The factor of 12 is 4 times 3. And then the next step is to cancel out the common. Okay, 4 divided by 4 is 1, or we can cancel 4. And now the final answer is a plus 2b over 3. Okay, next, let's have another example, number 2. 2x plus 6y over 3x plus 9y. Again, we're going to factor both numerator and denominator. Okay, in this example, we're going to use the factoring of greatest common monomial factor. So the factor or the common of 2 and 6 is 2. So we factor out 2. 2x divided by 2 is x, and 6y divided by 2 is 3y. Okay, all over, the common factor of 3 and 9 is 3. So we factor out 3, and 3x divided by 3 is equal to x. Then 9y divided by 3 equals 3y. And then we cancel out the common, which is x plus 3y. Okay, and the answer now is 2 over 3. Let's have an example, number 3. 12a raised to 4 b raised to 5 c all over 18a cubed b raised to 6 w. Okay, in this situation, first step is to factor the numerator and the denominator, the numerical coefficient. Okay, the factor of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3, which is 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. And then a raised to 4, b raised to 5, c. All over, the factor of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. Then we have a cubed, b raised to 6, w. Then we can cancel out the common. So the common is 2 and 3. And then, i-rewrite natin kung ano yung natitira, which is 2 over 3. Next, a raised to 4 over a raised to 3. So a raised to 4, apply the quotient power. So we have 4 minus 3 is 1. So therefore, we have a. Okay, next, b raised to 5 over b raised to 6. Okay, quotient power, we subtract the exponent. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. So, we have b raised to negative 1. So, gawin nating positive exponent. Apply the negative exponent. So, it will become 1 over b. Kaya nasa denominator yung b. Next, we're going to copy c and w. Kasi wala naman silang common. So, ika-copy lang natin. Okay, so okay, number 3. X plus 5x plus 6 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. Again, we're going to apply the general or the factoring of general trinomial. So, the factor of the numerator x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals x plus 3 times x plus 2. And the factor of the denominator x squared minus 2x minus 8 is x minus 4 times x plus 2. Then, cancel out the common to numerator and the denominator, and that is x plus 2, cancel. Then now the final answer is x plus 3 over x minus 4. Okay, so that is how to simplify the rational algebraic expressions. Okay, so now I think you're ready for the activity. We're going to simplify the following rational algebraic expressions. We have number 1, 6a plus 12b over 4. Number 2, 4x plus 14y all over 6x plus 8y.